The Power of Rejection. 13 Lessons from Marcus Aurelius. Rejection is an unavoidable part of life, but what if I told you that it could be your greatest ally? In today's video, we'll uncover 13 powerful lessons from the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius on how to use rejection to your favor. These insights will not only change how you perceive rejection, but also transform it into a tool for personal growth and resilience. From embracing rejection to building emotional strength and learning patience. Each lesson is designed to help you turn every no into a stepping stone toward your ultimate success. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these teachings, exploring how they can revolutionize your approach to life's inevitable setbacks. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights on Stoicism and self-improvement. Lesson number 1. Embrace rejection. Marcus Aurelius taught us that to live a full life, we must first embrace the realities of existence, including rejection. Embracing rejection means accepting it as a natural part of our journey. This doesn't mean we welcome failure, but rather, we recognize its role in shaping our character. Rejection can teach us resilience, pushing us to grow stronger and more determined in our pursuits. Think of rejection as a refining fire. It burns away our illusions and leaves behind a more tempered, focused version of ourselves. When we stop fearing rejection, we stop holding ourselves back. We take more risks, we strive for higher goals, and we become more resilient in the face of adversity. Embracing rejection means seeing it as an opportunity rather than a setback. So let us learn to accept rejection with open arms, understanding that each no brings us closer to the ultimate yes. It's a step toward building a more resilient and courageous version of ourselves. Lesson number 2. Reframe your mindset. Changing our perspective on rejection is crucial. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the power of our thoughts and perceptions. By reframing our mindset, we can transform how we experience rejection. Instead of viewing it as a failure, we can see it as a lesson, a challenge, or even an opportunity. When faced with rejection, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this experience make me better? By shifting our focus from the negative to the positive, we gain control over our reactions and emotions. This mindset shift not only reduces the sting of rejection, but also empowers us to move forward with renewed purpose and determination. Reframing our mindset is about taking control of our narrative. We become the authors of our own story, turning setbacks into comebacks and failures into stepping stones. It's a powerful tool that can change our lives. Lesson number 3. Learn from every rejection. One of the most valuable aspects of rejection is the opportunity to learn. Marcus Aurelius believed in the importance of continuous self-improvement. Each rejection carries a lesson, a piece of wisdom that can help us grow. Instead of dwelling on the negative emotions that come with rejection, focus on extracting the valuable insights it offers. What went wrong? What can be improved? By analyzing our rejections, we gain a clearer understanding of our weaknesses and areas for growth. This self-awareness is crucial for personal development. It allows us to make informed adjustments and come back stronger. Learning from rejection also involves adopting a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Each rejection becomes a stepping stone, a vital part of the journey toward mastery and success. Lesson number 4. Build emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to adapt to stress and adversity. Marcus Aurelius, with his Stoic philosophy, provides us with tools to build this resilience. One such tool is the practice of mindfulness, being present and fully engaged in the here and now. This helps us manage our reactions to rejection, keeping us grounded and composed. Another technique is cognitive reframing, challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with more balanced, realistic ones. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, we can reframe it to, I need to improve in certain areas. This shift in thinking helps us cope better with rejection. Building emotional resilience also involves developing a support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Their support can provide the emotional buffer needed to withstand the blows of rejection. Lesson number 5. Use rejection as motivation. Rejection can be a powerful motivator if we let it. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of turning obstacles into opportunities. When faced with rejection, instead of feeling defeated, use it as fuel to drive you forward. Let it ignite a fire within you, pushing you to work harder and smarter. View rejection as a challenge, a test of your determination and resolve. Each no is an opportunity to prove yourself, to show that you have the grit and tenacity to keep going. This mindset transforms rejection from a roadblock into a stepping stone. Using rejection as motivation also involves setting clear, achievable goals. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small victory will build your confidence and keep you moving forward, even in the face of rejection. Lesson number 6. Develop patience. Patience is a virtue that Marcus Aurelius often wrote about. In the face of rejection, patience is essential. Understand that success rarely comes overnight. It requires time, effort, and perseverance. Rejection is a part of this process, a necessary step on the path to achievement. Developing patience means staying committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow. It's about trusting the process and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles. Remember that each rejection is not a definitive end, but a temporary setback. Practicing patience also involves managing our expectations. Understand that not every opportunity will result in success, and that's okay. By setting realistic expectations and being patient with ourselves, we reduce the emotional impact of rejection and maintain our focus on long-term goals. Lesson number 7. Seek constructive feedback. Constructive feedback is a valuable tool for growth. Marcus Aurelius believed in the importance of self-reflection and seeking wisdom from others. After facing rejection, seek out feedback to understand what went wrong and how you can improve. Approach feedback with an open mind, ready to listen and learn. Ask specific questions to gain clarity on areas that need improvement. This proactive approach not only helps you grow, but also demonstrates your commitment to excellence. Remember, feedback is not criticism. It's an opportunity to gain insights and make positive changes. By seeking and accepting constructive feedback, you turn rejection into a learning experience, paving the way for future success. Lesson number 8. Practice self-compassion. Rejection can be harsh, but it's important to be kind to ourselves. Marcus Aurelius often emphasized the importance of self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend facing rejection. Self-compassion involves acknowledging your feelings without judgment. It's okay to feel disappointed, but don't let it define you. Remind yourself that rejection is a part of life and does not reflect your worth or abilities. Practicing self-compassion also means taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you. By being kind to yourself, you build the emotional strength to face rejection with grace and resilience. Lesson number 9. Stay persistent. Persistence is key to overcoming rejection. Marcus Aurelius often wrote about the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. Rejection is not a signal to give up, but a challenge to keep going. Stay persistent by setting clear goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small victory will build your confidence and keep you motivated. Persistence also involves maintaining a positive attitude. Focus on your progress rather than setbacks. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay persistent, and you will eventually reach your goals. Lesson number 10. Focus on what you can control. Marcus Aurelius often emphasized the importance of focusing on what we can control. In the face of rejection, it's easy to feel powerless. However, by concentrating on what we can influence, we regain a sense of agency and control. Focus on your actions, efforts, and responses. You cannot control the outcome, but you can control how you respond to it. By directing your energy towards what you can control, you become more proactive and resilient. This mindset shift also reduces anxiety and stress. Instead of worrying about things beyond your control, you focus on what you can do to improve and move forward. It's a powerful approach that empowers you to face rejection with confidence and determination. Lesson number 11. Accept impermanence. The Stoic principle of accepting impermanence is essential in dealing with rejection. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on the transient nature of life. Nothing is permanent, including rejection. Understanding this helps us cope better with setbacks. Accepting impermanence means recognizing that rejection is a temporary state. It does not define our entire journey. By adopting this perspective, we reduce the emotional impact of rejection and maintain our focus on long-term goals. This principle also encourages us to live in the present moment. Instead of dwelling on past rejections or worrying about future ones, we focus on the here and now. This mindfulness helps us stay grounded and resilient, ready to face whatever challenges come our way. Lesson number 12. Cultivate inner strength. Inner strength is the foundation of resilience. Marcus Aurelius believed in the importance of cultivating inner strength through Stoic practices. This involves developing a strong sense of self and a deep understanding of our values. Cultivating inner strength means practicing self-discipline and self-control. It involves setting boundaries and staying true to our principles, even in the face of rejection. This inner fortitude helps us remain grounded and focused, no matter the external circumstances. Inner strength also comes from self-awareness. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, and work on improving yourself continuously. By building inner strength, you become more resilient and better equipped to handle rejection with grace and determination. Lesson number 13. Understand the nature of rejection. We must first understand its nature. Marcus Aurelius often wrote about the importance of understanding the realities of life. Rejection is an inevitable part of our journey. It is not a reflection of our worth, but a natural occurrence that everyone experiences. Understanding the nature of rejection involves recognizing that it is not personal. It is often a result of circumstances beyond our control. By accepting this, we reduce the emotional impact of rejection and maintain our focus on what we can control. This understanding also helps us develop a more resilient mindset. We see rejection as a challenge rather than a failure. It becomes an opportunity to learn, grow, and become better. By understanding the nature of rejection, we turn it into a powerful tool for personal development. As we wrap up, remember that rejection is not the end, but a stepping stone toward your ultimate triumph. Each lesson from Marcus Aurelius provides us with the tools to face rejection with resilience, learn from it, and use it to our advantage. If you found these lessons valuable, make sure to check out our video on how to build unshakable confidence with Stoicism. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more transformative content. Remember, every rejection is a step closer to your ultimate triumph. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. Until next time, stay resilient and keep striving for greatness.